In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a route on Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone or go to the Google Maps website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use, because routes and places you save are tied to that account and will sync across your devices. Now, let's set up your route. Tap or click in the search bar at the top and enter your starting point. This can be your current location, your home, or any address or place name. Once that appears, select it. Next, choose your destination in the same way. Type the name or address, then select it from the suggestions. Google Maps will automatically generate a route between these 2 points. At this stage, you might see a few different route options. Usually, the main one is highlighted in blue, with alternatives shown in gray. Take a moment to zoom in and review them. You can tap or click on an alternate route if you prefer it. For example, if you want to avoid a highway or toll road. You can also adjust the travel mode at the top, such as driving, public transit, walking, or cycling, depending on how you plan to travel. If you want to customize your route a bit more, you can add stops. On mobile, tap the 3 dots in the top right of the directions panel. Then choose the option to add a stop. On desktop, look for the Add Destination field. Type in another place you want to visit along the way, like a gas station, restaurant, or a friend's house. You can drag and reorder these stops until the route looks exactly how you want it. Once your route is set, it's time to save or keep quick access to it. Google Maps doesn't save routes as a single item in the same way it saves places, but there are a few reliable ways to keep them handy. The most useful method is to save your start and end points, and any important stops, as saved places. Just tap on a location's name, then choose the Save option, and pick a list like Favorites or Want to Go. This way, you can quickly rebuild the same route later by choosing these saved locations. On mobile, another helpful trick is to pin your directions. After you've created your route, look for the option to pin it. This adds that route to your pinned directions, so later you can open Google Maps and access it right away without re-entering everything. Finally, you can share the route with yourself or others. Use the Share option in the Directions panel to send a link via message or email. That link will open the same route on any device, which is especially useful if you're planning a trip ahead of time. And that's how to save and easily access a route on Google Maps.